What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to do a simple little shop upgrade kind of deal. Waiting on my stand to be finished for the forge and the permanent doors. I'm going to build temporary doors. I know that the back of this really nasty bucket right here, I cast about that much by accident, left some in there, whatever, got a little hard, just let it sit, got it out. It actually fits perfectly inside of the forge. So I'm going to build another version of that today with an old work peg. I'm gonna just kind of set it in the refractory and build me something that I could take in and out of the forge to cover up a huge hole in the front of the forge because I'm having issues with forge welding and keeping heat and having to run the burners too hot. So if you want to watch that, come hang out. Quick little interruption before we get into seeing the wrong way to cast refractory. It does work, but it's not the right way to do it. There's a bunch of other pages out there that do that, do refractory work and stuff like that and build forges and stuff. I had John Norwood over at Old Hickory Forge helping me through the build of this one, shooting him messages here and there, communicating kind of back and forth about, hey, this is doing this, and awesome guy, go check his channel out. It's Old Hickory Forge. Also, if you've been here before, you are subscribed, appreciate it. But if you're not subscribed, I'm trying to build this channel. My goal here is I eventually want to get into doing like daily videos or at least 2-3 times a week, build, process, and just doing random stuff around the shop. So that's my goal. You guys come hang out, subscribe. I appreciate all the ones who drop comments and communicate back and forth on the Facebook page and all that stuff or whatever. It helps, and it kind of makes this feel like it's working, I guess. So I appreciate you guys. That's it. So my first order of business is the inside of this bucket is gross. I've mixed refractory up in it before. It's got dust and stuff in it, and I use it to put like my hot cut tools and stuff like that, and it usually has water in it. I'm thinking though, because it's kind of coarse in there, I don't think it's gonna just slide out. So I'm either gonna clean this or I'm just gonna have to wing it and lose my little dirty bucket. But that's what we're gonna shoot for. I'm gonna wipe this out a little bit. I'm gonna put some refractory in there, pour it, and I'm just gonna leave it in there and let it set up. I'm gonna push my work peg into it after it kind of sets a little bit because I don't want it to fall over. Let it cure, pull it out, fit it up to the hole of the forge. I probably have to take a rasp as it's drying. When it's still got a little moisture to it, you can rasp it and sometimes clean it up a little bit. But that's it, little temporary forge door idea. Literally got to use a scraper because in a knife shop, I can't find the knife. Ta-da! All right, so temporary forge doors came together pretty good. It's about 4 inches thick. It fits in there pretty decent. It's not exactly tight or whatever, but it's just temporary. I'm gonna be building a forge stand that'll have shelves and stuff like that on it. I'll be making more permanent forge doors, some sort of hinge mechanism or something like that, but that's it, quick dirty forge doors, and now I can make Damascus without losing all my heat from my forge. And the big purpose of building this huge forge was to be able to put bigger billets and have a hotter forge, and with a 8.5 inch round hole in the end of it, it doesn't really hold heat. So your walls can be insulated all you want. You gotta have some sort of way to close your forge. But that's all I got for today. Real simple little throw together shop update video type stuff. I got more stuff coming. Y'all subscribe, come hang out. And well, I say that we got some more hurricanes coming here in Florida, so this will be our 5th one. So hopefully everybody, does okay through that. That's all I got, man. Thank you.